make a Musical.ly, how to make a Musical.ly. It was a huge fail. Excuse my hair. Actually, hold on a minute. Hold on just 1 minute.
Talking Tom.
So I got a hat. So just took that behind my ears. Okay. So this Musical.ly is awesome. So what I'm gonna do on this Musical.ly is, I don't know. Okay. So I'm gonna go onto a new one. Musical.ly.
Change your shirt. Bruh, first of all, I look good in this shirt. And second of all, I look good in this shirt. And third of all, I look good in this shirt. So tell me I don't look good in your shirt. Bruh, first of all, I look good in this shirt. And second of all, I look... First, let me... Don't you open up that window.
So I'm gonna do this one.
You open up that window.
And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the hat off. And then I'm gonna go like this and then pause it. And then I'll have this on. And like go like that. So, let's do it.
Don't you open up that window.
Like that.
Don't you open up that window. Popping pills is all we know. Don't you open up that window. Popping pills is all we know.
So what I'm gonna do is
Open up that window.
I'm gonna redo that one and fix my hair though. So just put that up there. Sorry guys, my hat's in the way. Just get some water. Here we go, that's perfect. So let's do it. I'm doing it normal this time.
Don't you open up that window.
That, let's get my hat.
Don't you open up that window. Popping pills is all we know. Don't you open up that window. Popping pills is all we know.
Oh wait, I decided to do it, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a Musical.ly where I'm not wearing the hat. I'm wearing this, and then I'm gonna switch it up, and I'm gonna change it to something else with a hat on. So let's do it.
Don't you open up that window.
Like that. I'm gonna get dressed. So why do you get dressed? I'm gonna have to put the towel on you guys. So. Alright guys, I'm sorry that took a while. So I'm dressed. I just need to put on the hat. So I'm just doing my hair again. It's a little messed up. There's that. Perfect. Ready guys? Oh, it's too long.
Don't you open up that window?
Oh gosh. So that was my Musically. Alright, so that was that. I'm gonna show my grandma.
What are you doing? No picture of me, Debbie.
I didn't tell you. But look it, the Musically. I changed. And post, so I posted it. So sunny. You guys can barely even see me. So. It's gonna take forever. Oh, never mind. It's like almost done. So there's I don't know what time it is. What time is it? Like, I'm not matching at all. That's what I'm wearing. So, I'm gonna put some pants. I think I'm just gonna stay on this. I'm gonna put some boots on. So these are the boots I'm putting on.
Why does the cat clean his room then?
I don't know, like how does it clean the room? So, the window. Yeah, so hold on. Don't talk. Sorry, just don't let her say anything, you know. So, popping. No. Okay, there we go. So I got one boot on. No, just gotta get the other boot. Ow! My little brother. No. My brother. My brother. No. Sorry, guys, it's like taking forever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on YouTube, but I seem to not be able to find my videos on here. Sorry, guys. Put my pants. So yeah, there's all kinds of weird videos on YouTube. Oh my god. That's like really, really bright. Whoa. So, I'm just looking at these videos. My eyes are so bright. But I have post Musically videos, so I'm gonna guys, I just found all kinds of cool things. I'm really just hanging out, but right now, after this video, I'm posting a, not all day, but close to all day vlog, so, the rest of the day, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave the comments down below. And I'm gonna try to get this video up to like, only 100 likes, so or more. If you guys do, I would be so happy. This is my first YouTube channel, so if you guys would do that for me, I would love that. Thank you guys.